Welcome to The Explainer. We're breaking down a crucial safety net for Arizona real estate consumers.
So, a real estate deal goes south and you lose money. What do you do?
Well, there's a state-run fund, and get this, it's paid for by real estate pros themselves.
But hold on, it's not your first call. The law is crystal clear. It's a fund of last resort.
So how do you even get there? Well, it's a tough, three-step legal journey.
Okay, so you've jumped through all the hoops. How much can you actually get back?
The max payout is $30,000 for any one transaction. That's the cap.
And that's a hard limit. It's the total for the entire incident, no matter what.
Plus, there's a lifetime cap for each agent, $90,000 total over their whole career.
Here, you can see how those two limits, the per transaction and per licensee caps, really work together.
Now, the fund doesn't cover just any loss. It's for a very specific type of damage.
And what's not covered is just as important. Take a look at some of these exclusions.
Okay, that's the claimant's side. But what about the actual real estate agent involved?
The second a payment is ordered from the fund, bam! The consequence is huge and it is instant.
Yeah, this is no slap on the wrist. It is an automatic off switch for their career.
So is this career ending, or is there actually a way back for them?
Getting back in the game is all about one thing: making everyone financially whole again.
Right, they can't just pay back the fund and ignore the victim. Both debts have to be settled.
So when you step back, you see it has this powerful dual purpose, which leaves us with a final thought: